I'm finally building my first ever PC. Let's take this out. Motherboard. Wow. Now we do something. So we've got the Wi-Fi antennas, and we've got, I think this is for the SSD. Screws, more screws. Close it if it wants to close. Let's put it on here. Oh, I'm scared, man. There we go. And place it like that. I feel like I'm gonna break something. Okay. I'm going to do the RAM first. No, I'm not. I'm doing the CPU first, just to get that out of the way. Good to break something. Okay. Alright, we do that. Lift this up. Wait, this doesn't have pins. This doesn't have pins, man. I'm still scared of getting it wrong. Oh, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Okay. Is it done? Is that it? Oh my god, I'm so good at this game. I think it's okay. Okay. Oh no, I don't like that sound. I don't like that sound. Is it okay? Okay. Alright. I hope that's okay. This is scary. This is scary. Okay, look at that. What a hopefully good job I've done. Next, we have the RAM. I'm really hoping I install the CPU right, because if not, nothing will be okay. Right, so we have the RAM sticks. So we're gonna open these up, and then we're gonna carefully get them out. Damn, this has a premium feeling to it, you know. Okay, so we open this, open that, open this one, and we open that one, I think. Do we? Yes, we do. Okay. Oh, my hands are kind of shaking. That's not very good. Okay, click. And they click there. Okay. Got the first one in. Nice. All right. Oh my god, building PCs is so stressful. Now we've got this one. Okay. Click. Click. Nice. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Alright, so next we are going to install the SSD. Ta-da! Okay, very nice. Sick. Okay, I'm gonna put that back for a second, and then now we are going to open. Why are my hands shaking, man? Okay, we are going to open this build. Okay, nice. Alright, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So, push in, and then you put the screw on. Okay, that's not nice. I didn't film myself screwing it in, but it's in. It's in. Good job, nice. I think that's it for the motherboard. We've got the CPU. I hope that's in properly. It looks fine. Then we got the RAM. Then we got the SSD right here. So everything should be a-okay. My mistake. We actually have to do the CPU cooler before we put it in. I have like the worst camera angles. So we're gonna remove these brackets first. Now we're going to screw in the stock cooler. The next thing we do, we are going to put the actual motherboard into the PC. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, I think we are good to go. Alright, so I finished putting the motherboard in. Next we're gonna do the fans. Okay, so I've got all the fans in, one here, and then two on the front. And then next we have the power supply, which is gonna go underneath. So I'm gonna turn it around and then we're gonna sort all that. So here's the power supply, here are all the cables. So I'm gonna fit them all into this and hopefully I will succeed and actually have good cable management. Okay, so I've basically sorted out all the cables. Could be better, but I think it is actually quite good. Here's the back. I still got one more cable to put in and I've not screwed it in yet just because I'm gonna install the GPU after this. Hey, I'm gonna pull out the GPU. Moment of truth. Oh, look at that. That's actually quite big. Oh my god, okay. I literally had no idea how huge the GPU is. Look. Bro, why is it so massive? Jesus Christ. Okay, at least it fits. Let's take this thing off. Okay, I'm about to put it in. There we go. It's all in now. Next I'm going to connect these, and then I think is where we try to turn it on. Alright, moment of truth. I hope this works first time. If it does, then I'm like the best PC builder in the world, so. Alright, I'm going to do it. Oh! It's actually been nearly 3 weeks since I built the PC and since my phone died, so we've done a bit of stuff. So the PC is all built now. Off camera, I did some cable management. I think it looks a lot better than the one it did before. But honestly, I'm not gonna see it ever unless I'm fixing it or something. But honestly, it runs things very, very well. I can run things on max graphics with a decent FPS, and it's honestly amazing. Here it is in its glory. Honestly, it's looking really nice, you know. So I've got the dual monitor setup here. Got some Helldivers, listening to some music. I've actually been trying out a lot of different games on my PC. For example, Forza Horizon 5, Fortnite, Helldivers, just a lot of other games. It can run it really well and I'm very happy. Overall, it's been a big success. First time building a PC, first proper PC. It's amazing. You should go make a PC. Go right now, get one.